Elsa was sitting on her throne in Arendelle when a snowy owl flew through the castle window. The owl dropped a letter at her feet. The letter had a red wax seal with a lightning-shaped H on it. Elsa picked it up and read aloud. Dear Elsa, you are invited to study magic at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Elsa smiled. Magic school? This sounds exciting, she said. She packed her things, kissed Anna and Olaf goodbye, and left for Hogwarts on a magical train. When Elsa arrived at Hogwarts, she saw a tall castle with glowing windows. She walked into the great hall, where candles floated in the air and the ceiling sparkled like the night sky. Welcome to Hogwarts, said a boy with messy black hair and round glasses. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Elsa from Arendelle, she said, shaking his hand. Soon, Harry introduced Elsa to his friends, Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley. They showed her the Gryffindor common room and explained the rules of the school. Elsa felt at home right away. One morning, Elsa woke up to find the castle covered in frost. Ice crept along the walls, and the air felt colder than usual. Students slipped on frozen stairs, and even the fireplaces stopped working. Something is wrong, Elsa said. Professor Dumbledore called an emergency meeting. It seems the castle is under an icy curse, he said gravely. We must work together to find the source and stop it. Harry turned to Elsa. Maybe your ice powers can help us solve the mystery. Elsa nodded. Let's find out who or what is behind this. Elsa, Harry, Hermione, and Ron searched the Forbidden Forest for clues. They encountered a herd of unicorns, a giant spider, and even a friendly centaur. Elsa used her icy magic to protect her friends when a group of mischievous pixies attacked. Finally, they found a frosty footprint leading to a hidden cave. Inside, they discovered a magical ice dragon guarding a glowing crystal. The dragon roared, sending icy winds toward the group. I'll calm it down, Elsa said. She sang softly and used her powers to create an icy snowflake that sparkled in the air. The dragon relaxed and let them take the crystal. Back at Hogwarts, Hermione studied the crystal in the library. This is an ancient artifact called the Froststone, she said. It's causing the icy curse. We need to return it to its resting place to break the spell. Elsa and Harry carried the Froststone to the tallest tower in the castle. There, they placed it in a special pedestal. A bright light filled the room as the Froststone glowed, and the ice around Hogwarts melted away. You did it, Harry cheered. We did it together, Elsa said with a smile. The students celebrated with a feast in the Great Hall. Elsa felt happy knowing she had made new friends and helped save the school. I'll never forget my time at Hogwarts, Elsa said as she hugged Harry, Hermione, and Ron goodbye. Come back anytime, Harry said. As Elsa returned to Arendelle, she thought about all the adventures she had and smiled. She knew that magic, friendship, and courage could solve even the coldest mysteries.